to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Rachel. I do lots of cleaning videos. I do lots of business, lifestyle type of content. So if that is something that you're interested in, make sure you click that subscribe button, and that way you stick around, and hit that bell notification if you never want to miss an upload from me. But today we are doing a power hour. I want to get this house tidy in 1 hour. This is also the first clean with me in my new house, so I'm so excited to clean today and share that with you guys, share some house updates. But I'm gonna set my timer and we are gonna get this place spick and span in 1 hour, and I don't think it will take me longer than that. For the most part, it's pretty clean, but we did have kind of a busy weekend, so I just want to reset, get everything ready to go for the week. So that is what we are doing in this power hour. Basically gonna do the entire house, so wish me luck, and let's get right into it. All right, starting the timer now. So to start out this power hour, I am just going to go ahead and load the dishwasher. I had made breakfast and put everything in the sink, so I'm just going ahead and filling up the dishwasher with all these dirty dishes, and then once I get all of that done, I will be wiping down the sink. I like to do this every single day, just kind of wipe it down, and normally just for like everyday cleaning I will use dish soap, but if like it's like a deeper clean, I will use something, you know, more than just regular dish soap, I guess. So I'm just scrubbing down the sink. I really can't stand it when the sink is gross, so I will do this every time I like load the dishwasher or rinse off dishes or anything like that. I just kind of give it a quick scrub down, because otherwise it just, I don't know, there's something about it that just is gross to me. Moving on to the countertops, I am using this Caldrea, however you say it, spray. And I get this from thegrove.com. I have my link down below where you can get some free product if you want to sign up. It is like a monthly, or it doesn't have to be monthly. It's just like a subscription-based service where you can buy all of your cleaning products. They have a lot of all-natural stuff, which I really like. But Caldrea, I think is how you say it, is one of my favorite brands. And I just love all the different Caldrea sprays that I've tried. So now I am going ahead and diffusing some essential oil. I like this one. This is Purification from Young Living, and I'm also signed up with Young Living, so if you guys are interested in any of their products, I'll leave my link down below. But I really like this one. This has just like a nice fresh scent to it, but it also purifies the air, which I really like for in the kitchen, because when I cook, sometimes that smell will linger and I don't really want to smell whatever I've cooked, you know, for like the whole day. So I love diffusing this one. I love it so much. I recently just discovered it, so I've only been trying it out for like a month now, but I already had to place another order for another one because I just love it so much. So I'm making sure that I clean off the table and of course my coffee bar, and this cute little sign is from Target. It says, "Oh my gourd, it's fall," and I thought this was perfect for my coffee bar, and I'm just loving all the little fall touches that I have going on in the house. I just think it's not overboard, but it's just like just enough fall, you know. And then finally I am going ahead and vacuuming. I am using the LG Cord 09, I think. I'll have it linked in the description box for you guys, but I've been loving this little vacuum. It's like super like quiet, I feel like, compared to other vacuums, and I can just vacuum the whole house. It comes with an extra battery. It's great. I have been loving it. So thankfully our bedroom wasn't too bad. It just, obviously we need to make the bed because that's a daily thing. And I've been trying to get into the routine of like always making the bed, because it just makes me feel so much better when I walk in our room and the bed is made and everything's picked up and tidy. It just is so nice. I'm also kind of like tidying up the little nightstand. I don't keep a lot on the nightstand. I mean, I just keep my Bible and my devotionals and some medicine, and then a couple of essential oils in my diffuser. So on this day, I decided to diffuse peppermint in the bedroom. I love peppermint. I love it all times of the year, but especially as we get towards like Christmas, when it's more acceptable to diffuse peppermint and love peppermint, all the peppermint things. I'm just like, yes, it's peppermint season, let's go. So I am diffusing peppermint in the bedroom, and I love it so much. Let me know if you guys are big peppermint fans. Like I'm like, forget pumpkin spice season, give me peppermint mocha season, you know what I'm saying? So let me know in the comments below if you guys are team peppermint season, because I love peppermint. So then I decided to kind of dust off like the tops of the furniture and of course vacuum. And if you're wondering why we have 2 TVs in this bedroom, it's because we actually got a new TV out in the living room. You guys will see it. It's ridiculous, but that was all James. He wanted like this ridiculous sized TV, so whatever. So anyway, we moved the TV that we had in the living room into our bedroom and put it on our dresser, and then the TV that was on the dresser is on the floor. We actually have to take it back. We borrowed it from James's parents, so now we can finally give them their TV back, which is exciting. But we also have like a bigger TV in the bedroom now, which I don't know. I'm just like, this is ridiculous, James. We don't need these huge TVs, but oh well. I mean, you guys know, if you have like a husband or a wife or, you know, somebody in your life who's like into like gaming and video games and whatnot, you gotta have like the nice TV apparently to do this. So it is what it is. As you can see, our living room wasn't too bad, but we did have like our blankets out. We really love to watch movies and TV shows at night. It's like my favorite way to just unwind from the day. So a lot of times we will leave our blankets and I'll have to pick them up the next day. So I'd really love to know what your favorite movies are, your favorite TV shows. My favorite TV show of all time is Lost, and we'll actually do a rewatch here in probably a couple days to maybe a week or so, because we're finishing up watching Psych, our rewatch of Psych. We've watched it several times, but now we're gonna switch back into Lost. But I would love to know your favorite TV show or what you think that we should watch after we watch Lost. Let me know in the comments below. Also, your favorite movies. I would have to say I have some really weird movies that I like. My favorite movie of all time is Jaws. But then I also really love comedy movies. Like I love anything with like Adam Sandler, David Spade. Like those are like my type of like what I find funny, or my comedies, you know? So yeah, those are probably some of my favorites, but let me know in the comments below your like favorite movies. I would love to know what you guys are loving right now. Does anyone else feel like they have to constantly like vacuum or sweep like in their entryway? Because seriously, I feel like this is like a daily thing that I have to do, because we just have like, it's not even that we have a lot of dirt, but we take Dixie on walks, we walk in the grass with her, so then we bring in, you know, dirt and grass and such on our shoes. So I just feel like I'm constantly like vacuuming this area. But even more so than when we lived in an apartment, because I remember when we lived in the apartment, I would have to do this also, but it wasn't as bad. So I don't know what it is about owning a house. I guess like we just have a lot of dirt that we're walking around in. I don't know, but it annoys me, to be honest, because I'm just like, why can't this area just stay clean? But I guess if you're always going in and out of your house, then it's a high traffic area. It's going to need to be picked up like daily, but still it annoys me. Does anybody else absolutely hate scrubbing the toilet and the shower? Because same. Honestly, I would prefer to scrub the toilet over the shower because I hate the shower that much. But I don't know. Let me know. Am I alone on this? Because really, I just hate scrubbing the bathtub, the like bathtub shower. I think it's because you have to like basically get in the tub and scrub it down. So then like, I don't know. It's just, I don't like it. I would rather scrub the toilet. I feel like that's just so much easier. But let me know, are you team shower or team toilet? That sounds so funny. But let me know which one. Tell me I'm not alone, please.
We could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
Thankfully, since I had cleaned a few days before, I really didn't need to do a lot to the countertops. I just needed to like pick up, tidy up like whatever was on the countertops. And then I just sprayed the countertops down and wiped them like real quick. I used the Jaws disinfectant, which normally you're supposed to let that sit for 10 minutes, but I really didn't need to disinfect, I felt like, because I had done that a few days before. So I just kind of did like a quick wipe down of the countertops, and I felt like that was enough, you know? We did it with 2 minutes and 5 seconds to spare. We did pretty much all the main areas of our house. I didn't do the 2 back rooms because one is James's room. He's still kind of unpacking, and then I'm still kind of setting up my room. So I didn't do those 2 rooms, and I didn't do that bathroom, but I did the rest of the house, and it looks so nice, and it just makes me so happy to have a clean space. And like I said, I have been keeping up with the housework, so it wasn't super messy. So I was able to do this in an hour and just like tidy and freshen everything up, and it feels so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this power hour. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as that bell notification for more cleaning content, more lifestyle content, more sticker shop related content if that's what you're into. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.